So in Drip, you have two kinds of automations you can run: workflows and rules. What are the differences and which should you be using in what kind of situation? Well, that's what we're going to be getting into in this video. So let's do it. Hey, this is Leslie Samuel here from BecomeAblogger.com, where we're changing the world one blog at a time. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where I show you how to build a business with a blog. I want to take a quick moment to encourage you to not subscribe to my YouTube channel, because if you do, and especially if you tap that bell icon, you're going to learn how to use what we're talking about in this video to have an impact on the world while simultaneously building a successful business with a blog. Now, nobody wants that, right? That would be dumb. Hit subscribe. All right, let's talk about automation, workflows versus rules. You know, Drip is a very powerful marketing automation platform, and the workflows and rules are a big part of what makes it so powerful. By the way, if you want to get access to my Drip setup checklist that goes along with this video series, head on over to becomeablogger.com/drip checklist. So what are workflows and rules? Well, let's start with rules. A rule is basically an if-then command. You're telling Drip, hey, if a subscriber does a specific thing, then I want you to do something specific. So for example, if a subscriber clicks on a special link in my email, then tag them as interested in that particular topic. Or if someone subscribes to a specific campaign, then record a conversion. Here's a specific example of how this one works. I have a membership program that I call my Blogger Coaching Club. This is where I teach people how to build a business with a blog. When someone joins that coaching club, they are automatically subscribed to my coaching club campaign. Well, when that happens, I want Drip to record that as a conversion. In other words, I want Drip to take note that my subscriber accomplished the goal that I set. They are now a paying customer, and I want Drip to keep track of that. So I've set up a rule to do that. Here's the key. It's just one simple if-then situation. I don't need it to make, multiple decisions or anything complex like that. I just want it to do one simple thing. So I create a rule. Now, a workflow is like taking rules and injecting them with steroids. Although that would be kind of weird. And it doesn't even really make sense. Anyhow, let's get back to workflows. Workflows are really the best part of the marketing automation features built into Drip. It allows you to map out and build your marketing funnels by combining a series of if-then situations. Here's an example. Let's say you're a food blogger and you created this awesome free PDF with your top 5 recipes. Somebody signs up to your campaign where you give away this free gift. In your workflow, you can do something like this. When they subscribe to your campaign, it checks to see whether they've purchased your course on how to become a top chef in 30 days. Hey, I don't know if that's possible, but work with me here. If they already purchased your course, you simply have Drip send them the free gift. Now, if they haven't already purchased the course, you can send them the free gift and start another campaign. And in that campaign, you can send them all kinds of valuable info about how to become a top chef. And of course, as a part of that process, you can introduce them to your course. Now, if they purchase after your first or second email, it can remove them from that sales campaign and then start a new campaign. If they don't purchase, at a certain point, you can send them along another path where you send more emails to nurture them some more. Along the way, you send an email asking them, what are your goals for your cooking career? You give them 2 options. Do they want to be a top chef, or are they just interested in some simple meals that they can make to make their family meal times more enjoyable? Some people indicate that they just want those simple meals. When they click on that specific link, it starts a new campaign that ultimately introduces them to your more basic course on how to rock your family meal time. Do you see what's happening there? You create one workflow that tells Drip what to do depending on specific actions your subscribers may take. I mean, yes, you can create a ton of rules to make this happen, or you can just create a more elaborate workflow in an easy way that visually charts out the different paths your subscribers can take. And that is the difference between rules and workflows. Rules are a way to make one simple decision based on a specific actions, and workflows are essentially a way of tying together a bunch of rules. Now, really quick, I want to let you know that if you are interested in using Drip in your business, you can sign up for a free account for up to 100 subscribers by going to becomeablogger.com/drip, and you get to test out all the features for free forever. Now, that is my affiliate link, so that means if you sign up, I get a commission. If I get a commission, I feed my family, and if you're okay with my family eating, then go ahead and use that link. But seriously, I do get a commission. But if you check out all of the tutorials in this series, you'll see that I'm recommending Drip simply because it's really great and I believe that it can help you grow your business. All right, now I want to get to know you a little better so that I can better serve you. So the question for this video is this: are you using visual workflows in your email marketing? Go ahead and leave your answer to this question in the comments area below. This, of course, is just one of the many videos in my series on Drip, and I promise that if you watch this series from beginning to end, you'll be a Drip pro in no time. Now, in this next video, I cover the process of creating an automation rule, and in this last video, I go into how to customize your email footer for your campaigns. So take your pick and keep watching. This is Leslie Samuel here, reminding you that I believe in you. Now you believe in yourself, and let's do this.